Hello, my name is Shiji Kathuria, and I am a reference and instruction librarian at the GSU Alpharetta campus. Your professor has asked me to teach you about Zotero. What is Zotero? Zotero is a free citation management tool. It automatically senses research on the web to save it into your personal database in one click. It can help you instantly create references and bibliographies using Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Finally, it supports over 9,000 citation styles. In this video, I'll be showing you a demonstration of how Zotero works. I'll show you how to build your library, how to edit that library, and then I'll demonstrate how to build in-text citations and references using Microsoft Word. If you were to download Zotero, you would go to zotero.org and click the download button. This tutorial will not detail how to download it to your personal computer, but if you have any trouble, you're welcome to contact me. I'll provide my contact information at the end. Once Zotero has been installed, it's installed in a few different places. First, it's installed as a button on your browser. Secondly, it installs as a program on your computer that you can access from your Start menu. And finally, it installs in Microsoft Word, where it's a menu in Microsoft Word. So let's demonstrate how to start building your reference library. If I'm on the library homepage, I will go to Database and demonstrate how Zotero works. For this class, you might be using a database like PsycInfo. I will conduct a sample search and select peer-reviewed articles and limit to current articles. Like I said earlier, Zotero is installed in your browser, so it's sensing content that I'm currently accessing. If I'd like to save multiple search results that have come up, I can click this folder icon and select articles from my search results that I'd like to save. You will notice a pop-up that comes up saying that it's saving into your library. If I were to want to save one individual article, I could also do that. Zotero is always sensing the content that you're currently looking at. And you'll notice the icon has now changed to an article symbol. I can also click on this icon to save this one article to my Zotero library. If I were to open the program of Zotero, you'll now see that all 4 of these articles have been saved into my library. If I look at one individual article, you'll notice the metadata of all of these articles have been broken out. So you can see the individual title, author, abstract, etc., depending on what Zotero imported from the EBSCO database. At any time, if there is an error in any of these fields, I can click and change it. This will become very important when you build your bibliography. Next, I will show you how to build your bibliography in Microsoft Word. There are 2 different ways. The first way is a way to quickly build a bibliography. You can highlight all of the items that you've imported, right-click, and select Create Bibliography from Items. You will pick your default style, which I'll select APA 7th edition, Output Mode Bibliography, and Output Method Copy to Clipboard, and click OK. I will then open my Word document, right-click, and click Paste. And now my reference list has been built in APA format. That's a way to quickly build your reference list. Next, I will show you how to build your bibliography as you're typing in Word. You'll remember in the beginning I said that Zotero is installed within your Microsoft Word program. As I'm typing my paper, if I wanted to add an in-text citation, I can click Add Edit Citation, and then I can search for anything that's in my Zotero library by keyword, or author, or anything. So I will select an article to cite and press Enter, and then that will insert an in-text citation in my paper. When I'm ready to build my reference list, I can then click Add Edit Bibliography, and the formatted bibliography will populate. As I'm typing my paper and I want an in-text citation again, it'll show me what I've already cited and then show the rest. You'll notice that when I added the Abraham in-text citation, it also automatically populated the reference list in alphabetical order. If at any time I need to change the style of what I've been citing in, I can click Document Preferences. Up until now, it's been citing an MLA 8th edition, but I know for this course you need to be citing an APA 7th edition. That is just a one-click change, and I'll click OK. And now everything has been automatically updated into APA style. This has been a quick introduction on how to use Zotero. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Here is my contact information. I am available for one-on-one virtual research appointments. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you.